Hi guys,
I'm Shauni.
and I'm Mondi, and we've been married for 11 lovely years.
Yes, and today, why are men like this?
Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.
Yes, and we're going to talk about the topic at hand right after this intro!
I'm really going to do that today.
I always want to do that. All right, we're going to answer some questions today. Why are men like this, okay? And I'm going to ask my husband some questions. Because as we have talked to many people, there is a reoccurring pattern
Yes.
in men, right? So we're going to talk about it. So let's get started.
All right.
Question number 1.
Let me have it.
Do men like dating?
Do men like dating? I'm going to say no. We don't like dating. I don't think we like dating at all. I mean, we do it just to make y'all happy, really. And truth be told, it's really just to get us closer to the goal of sex.
And why am I not surprised by this?
It's just a tedious task. I mean, it's...
What? Dating is just a tedious task?
Listen, like I said, we do it to make you guys happy. We don't really want to do it, but we'll do it. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Question number 2.
Let's have it.
Do men like to cuddle?
Surprisingly, yes.
Okay. Okay.
If it puts us in the position to have sex. You know, if we get closer.
See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about right here.
It's the truth. If it puts us in a position close enough so we can kind of, you know, edge ourselves.
Why can't it just be regular? I mean, do you like to cuddle without sex?
Any opportunity that gives us a chance to touch on y'all, we love it.
Dear Jesus. Okay.
Yes, let's have it.
Do men think about sex all the time, even when they're older?
Yes, we do. We might not feel like going through the act all the time, but we always think about it. We're always thinking about it. It's like, you know, when you get older as a guy, it's like you're a boxer. You still think you can fight, but you can see yourself fighting, but you might not be able to make the moves like you used to. Might be a little slower.
Right. But you still think about it?
You still think about it. You still think about knocking somebody out. With our hand and eye coordination, it might not be where it used to be. It ain't quite the same.
That's hilarious.
All right, guys, part 2 coming up.
Yes, indeed. Don't forget. Come on now.